Hi there, it's Roy Breton here from Garden Equipment Review. Hope you're doing well. Today we're looking at the Allett Buckingham 30H Petrol Cylinder Mower. Yesterday we're looking at the smaller 20H model, which sells for £3,785 including VAT. The 30-inch is more expensive, £4,399. It does currently offer a saving of £310, and that the price is including VAT. Now, I appreciate that not everyone can afford a machine like this. It is a fine bit of British engineering and a machine that's built to last. I know of people who have purchased machines like this, like 30, even 35 years ago to be fair, and I know that they are still using them now, just because they've looked after them, they've had them serviced, and they're built to last. So it's almost like a machine that never wears out within reason, of course. So in the long term, it can be cheaper than having a cheaper machine, but I appreciate it that it's a lot of money to start off with, so not everyone is in that position. There's just one word of warning. Cylinder mowers are meant for prestige lawns. They do give a fine cut. Not all lawns are suitable for a cylinder mower. For example, if you've got sort of rough areas, dogs, children running around, then you may be better off with a rear roller rotary mower. I've left a link here that you can click on. They do stripe and they do leave a good finish, but they're slightly more practical than a cylinder mower. All depending what you're looking for, but just be careful to buy the right machine. So let's have a look at the features. As I mentioned, it's a British machine. It says semi-professional, but I don't know why they call it semi-professional, because it's a professional machine. It has a Honda 4-stroke engine. I've always liked Honda engines, very reliable, very easy to start. I've had lots of machines powered by Honda. I've never had a problem. It's 196cc and develops 5.5 horsepower. And something else with Honda engines is that they are very economical indeed. The cutting width is 30-inch cylinder. A 6-bladed cylinder. You can get various types of cylinder. This one comes with a 6-bladed. You can get 10-bladed cylinders. I think you can get 12 as well. But this machine comes with a 6-bladed cylinder that gives 73 cuts per meter. It's a 118 litre grass box. It's got the roller is, which you can't see behind here, is a triple section rubberized steel roller. So it when you're turning, it doesn't tear up the grass. It causes minimal damage as the rollers move in sort of 3 parts, if you like. But regarding the adjustment, the cutting height, there's micro adjustments on the cutting height. The cutting height is, I think it was 5. Let me just look. I wrote it down. Can't remember. Bear with me. So here we are, 5mm to 35mm. I couldn't remember what this was. So 5mm, that is pretty short. To be fair, I tend to cut grass longer, so I would probably be looking at the higher cut. However, it does depend what you're actually doing. So there is that flexibility there. There's variable handlebar positions. So if you're using the optional trailer seat, which I've put a picture down here, you can adjust it accordingly to your height and just for the maximum comfort. The trailer seat, incidentally, is also designed to follow the machine round precisely. So if you're going around flower beds, paths and what have you, it should follow and stripe the lawn as you go. So there's no need to abandon the trailer seat, which is great. That's really about it. I've just put an eBay link up here. There are some machines available on eBay sometimes. Just be careful what you buy. But definitely worth having a look at. I often look at eBay and just see what's available. If you've got any questions, comments, you can leave them at the bottom of this post or comment on this video. Thanks very much for watching.